YouTube friends. So my lawnmower had died on me, and I had troubleshot it down and found that the ignition coil had quit. So rather than spend $700 or so to replace this with a comparable mower, I decided to go ahead and fix it myself, because a new ignition coil and a set of 4 spark plugs, so a lifetime supply of spark plugs for the damn thing, was 26 bucks. To diagnose this, you got to know how it works. So how it works is that this handle that you got to have pulled while it's mowing pulls a cable which pulls this lever which grounds this wire, and this wire plugs into the coil and goes to secondary ignition. Essentially it's like having 2 spark plug wires, but only one goes to the spark plug. When you let go of the handle, this wire that's normally plugged in right here gets grounded, which kills ignition to the spark plug. So if this is grounded, you will not get any spark. If this is not grounded, you'll get a spark as the flywheel turns and the magnet passes the coil, induces a voltage, and then creates a magnetic field, and then collapses the field, and it creates a spark. Now, I can't turn it fast enough just by spinning this to make a spark. All right, I've got this clamp holding the handle, so that wire should not be grounded. So I should get a spark with the handle pulled like it would be when you're mowing the lawn. And before I was not getting a spark. So I'm going to replace the coil anyway, because I think there's an intermittent short inside the coil. But anyway, I can smell fuel and I know it's got compression, so it should run. So when you install the new ignition coil, you need to have the proper air gap between the flywheel and the coil. And all I did was just take a piece of cardboard and stick in between, because the magnet will pull the coil up close to the flywheel where the magnet is. I just stuck a piece of cardboard in between, let it seat itself against the cardboard, and then I tightened it and then took out the cardboard, so I got a nice gap. You can see we've got good compression. So I'll put it back together and we'll fire it up. We win again.